These machines are designed to be used by workers in the track, and they're designed with workers in the track. So these machines are comfortable to work with. They have less vibration, they're incredibly quiet, they're focused around making track work more comfortable and less of a difficult, annoying type. So all of the things that are annoying, that you are breathing in the fumes from the gasoline engines, that they're loud and unreliable, all of these annoyances are being designed out of track work. And when we design these machines, the worker is, what makes these machines the way, that we make them. What's special about the Plus S machines is that they're all one platform. They are, from the start of the design process, designed to be a family of tools, and they share not only the battery and the entire charging infrastructure, but also spare parts, electronics. So there is a lot of interchangeable devices and modules that these machines share. So if you are having these machines in your portfolio and something goes wrong, you will always be prepared to help yourself. It's not supposed to change the way that people work. I mean, modern track work is a mix of waiting time and intense pressure. When the possession is supposed to start, say, at midnight and it's 6 o'clock in the morning, it's supposed to start at midnight, but it doesn't, right? Because something is late and something is not according to plan. But it will end at 6 o'clock in the morning. So the time in between is a time of intense pressure where everything needs to be all right. They should use their practice, their process, this choreography that gives them the optimal productivity. And our machines are designed into that choreography so that they don't have to change their ways. They don't have to change, where they expect things to be. And when we want to change and innovate and bring new technology, then it has to fit into this choreography. So ideally for the workers, they don't even notice that they're working with innovative machines and innovative technology. Service to the customer, to be able to support our customers in whatever situation they find themselves in.